So the topic I am going to present is the structural and function of kidney, especially the functional unit of kidney. The functional unit of kidney is known as nephron. It is the basic unit of kidney. First of all, before I go to the structure, I would like to present. Basically, there are two types of nephron exist in our kidney. One that are arranged in the cortical region of kidney are known as cortical nephron that are about 70 to 80% in our kidney, and other are juxtamedullary nephrons. These are about 20 to 30% in our kidney. The basic two parts of a nephron are, as I mentioned in the structure, one is the renal corpuscle and other is renal tubule. Renal corpuscle has further two parts. One is glomerulus, that is a tuft, or as you can say, the network of capillaries, and other is the two-wall thick capsular shape that is known as Bowman capsule. And other part of nephron is the renal tubule. It is further divided into basic three tubes. One is PCT, proximal convoluted tubule at the start. Another is a loop shape or U shape, you can say, that is a loop of Henle, which has two parts. One is descending limb and other is ascending limb. And the last part is distal convoluted tubule over here. These tubes empty into a large single duct that is known as collecting duct, as I shown over here. So this is a basic structure of nephron, and we are going to present the function of nephron as well. Basically, kidney perform two functions. One is the filtration of blood and produce urine, and other is excretion. In excretion, it removes urea from our body, and in osmoregulation, it produces urine. There are two types of urine. One is hypotonic urine, and other is hypertonic urine. And for this formation, kidney perform its function in three basic steps. First step is pressure filtration, and second is selective reabsorption, and third is tubular secretion. In first step, pressure filtration or ultrafiltration or glomerular filtration, blood through renal artery came to kidney and divide into many arterioles. The arteriole which arrive or enter into the nephron is known as afferent arteriole, which divide further and form a tuft or bed of capillaries known as glomerulus, and exit from glomerulus through efferent arteriole. When blood comes through a blood pressure, that is a hydrostatic pressure, there is small pores inside the glomerulus, so blood get filtered over here and back through efferent arteriole. And other reason is there is a high blood pressure, and other is the less diameter efferent arteriole creates more pressure over here, so maximum blood is going to filter over here. That filtration leads a lot of substances over here. That substances are collectively called glomerular filtrate. That is basically comprised of water, glucose, amino acid, vitamins, urea, salts, etc., except from large protein and blood cell. Then this glomerular filtrate start moving towards next tubular structure, and during that step there is a second step that is known as selective reabsorption. Selective means there would be a certain substances are going to be reabsorbed back into the blood from capillary network that I didn't have shown over here, but I would tell you in the video. In selective reabsorption, a lot of minerals, suppose when blood going to PCT, glomerular filtrate is going to the PCT, proximal convoluted tubes, maximum organic substances like glucose, amino acid, vitamins are going to be reabsorbed along with a small quantity of water and ions. They are reabsorbed back into the blood from proximal convoluted tube. When blood is going down to the descending limb of loop of Henle, during that, water through osmosis is reabsorbed back into the blood because of higher salt or hypertonic salt concentration in renal medulla. If you give a keen observation over here, I drawn a line over here that indicate there that is actually a juxtamedullary nephron. Maximum its loop of Henle and collecting duct are submerged or deep down into the renal medulla, and its proximal DCT and glomerular portion is inside the renal cortex. So water came out through osmosis automatically by passive transport, and when the glomerular filtrate moved toward ascending limb, most of the salts, especially NaCl, sodium chloride, table salt, is reabsorb back into the blood through active transport. Then this glomerular filtrate move toward the distal convoluted tube. In distal convoluted tube, again a small quantity of water along with some ions are reabsorbed back into the blood. So here maximum around about 99.8% filtrate that were filtered by glomerulus is reabsorbed back into the blood. Then last step, that is known as tubular secretion. In tubular secretion, certain ions and minerals like hydrogen ion, tretinoin ion, ammonium ion are secreted back from the epithelium of these renal tubule, from the epithelial or renal tubule into back to the lumen of the tube, or you can say from the blood to the renal tubule, so that the urine that is going to produce and the blood that is involved in this filtration process is going to maintain their pH. So when all the things are going to be done, then the rest material known as urine that move from the collecting duct to the renal